So if you've been keeping up with what's been going on, we finally made it to Manchester. We had to leave Vietnam. We got a request. Somebody asked where are we living, what it looks like. So that's what we're gonna do now. I'm gonna go downstairs and I'm gonna start with showing you the area that we live in. It's a really nice place. So let's go downstairs and see what that looks like. So this is the building we're staying in right behind me. It's the W3 building. And I'm gonna show you the area. So right here on the corner, there's a grocery store. And then I'm not sure what these buildings are. You can see there's like a railroad down there, so transportation, and there are buses constantly going by. But it's just a really nice area. Then there's like a theater down that way, and I think there's another theater in that direction as well. But I'm gonna show you everything on the map so you can see what's around us and what the names of the places are as well.
So we live in the outskirts of Gay Village in the south of Manchester city centre. It's a pretty busy, lively place, lots of vegan food, parks, and things to do.
So let's go ahead and go inside. So as far as security, there's this passcode and you can call up and get in. And really nice lobby. You can see it's art on the wall. And then they have a security down here too. And the mailboxes, this is where you pick up your mail. This little model of the area. And we stay on floor 2, so let's go up there and see. I can't remember how much this place costs, but we rented it for our 10 days isolation. And we're also just gonna be here, kind of just settle in, figure out what directions we want to take and where we want to go around in the UK. This is going to be just a home base where we settle down and start mapping out our plans for travel. So the hallway, it's kind of like a hotel a little bit. Yeah, it's like automatic lights. Really nice place. 22. Let's go on inside.
So this is what it looks like when you come in. There's a bedroom here. The bed is a little bit smaller than we're used to for all 3 of us, but it's comfortable and we're making it work. That's how we've been drying clothes on the rack, just because there's only a washer, no dryer. And then this window, you can see down into the courtyard down there, which we'll show you later. Got the bathroom. Nina's been enjoying the tub. That is not something we've had in a long time. Also, cool little thing is you can do this with the sink. So you can either do the sink, or if you flip this switch, you can do that sprayer. So it's just like a nice little thing. But yeah, pretty standard bathroom. And then living room and kitchen. You hungry? Comes with a stovetop or a hob, which I think is the proper term in the UK. Oven that we don't really know how to work out. Dishwasher that we haven't bought dishwasher fluid for. We just kind of do our dishes right here. Sink has this little thing, I don't really know, but yeah. Also, some reason this soap is like super sudsy. You really don't need much. Definitely recommend. It did come with some things like some coffee and tea and spices, salt. So there's only been a few pantry staples we've had to buy. Some things were a little dirty when we got here. Like they have a sandwich press that we were trying to use, and we opened it and there was like old cheese, like dried cheese and stuff, and a few other plates and stuff that were dirty. I guess I haven't had anyone in this Airbnb in a while, but still. And this is the living room. Got Nina watching Octonauts over here. Comes with a smart TV, YouTube, Netflix, everything. Couches are pretty comfortable, no complaints. And then we have all of Nina's toys and stuff that we could bring from Vietnam with us. Heater works well. Haven't had to use it too much. It's been kind of warm.
Well, outside there's like a patio kind of backyard thing. We work out there sometimes, and Nina also plays out there a lot. Just it's a really good addition to the apartment. You know, having somewhere for her to run around, especially in self-isolation. You can see that's where we stay right there. Nina likes to play around in these rocks right here, which is pretty cool. Hey, hey. So here's where we live at on this corner. This is where our building is. And so we just walked down the street to this park. Just wanted to get Nina out of the house and get her running. Hey, we're all headed to the park. Got Nina. Nina.
So the architecture here is pretty cool. It's a good mix of old English looking buildings and modern stuff. Nina really likes it. This is her first time really being able to walk around in a big city. So she has a lot to explore and see. Lots of parks like the one we're going to show you in a second here. And then also museums and science centers and things, which we'll probably do other videos about. So this park didn't really have a lot for Nina to do, so we're gonna head over to Piccadilly Gardens, which is a bit bigger and has a kids' play area.
Red, yellow, green, yellow.
It's feeling much better right now. But it's a nice park. There's a lot of people here. Not many people wearing masks. Not sure if that's a thing out here or not. Still trying to figure that out. But yeah, Nina's having a really good time.
After a busy morning of walking around, exploring the city, and playing around with Nina, we were pretty tired, so just decided to order some delivery and go home and have some sushi.